I know you're unconvinced at this point as to, why this is being done and whether it's kind of net positive because, as Steve kind of alluded to, they're bringing in back the old management, the old guard at a time when they desperately need new growth drivers and restructuring.
Well, I think this new management change definitely a surprise to the market, and overall, I think it's kind of a market neutral event. I'm not as positive as other people. I think this management change needs some time to for the market to monitor to see whether it can reboot the company and can bring a new growth driver to Alibaba. I think the rationale behind is that probably Alibaba's rationale is trying to bring the old management back to the stage again as a better coordinator. You see Alibaba's an announcement yesterday saying that Alibaba grew as a better coordinator to coordinate their 6 business line. So I think bring back two co-founder back to the stage as chairman and CEO can definitely serve a good job on that. While obviously you see cloud business, the growth are slowing in the recent quarters. So I think Daniel Zhang previously already proved that he's a great business leader and did a good job in the previous development of Tmall and e-commerce business. So I think now Alibaba probably needs him to focus more on the cloud business in order to boost the growth. I think that's the rationale behind this management change.
In the time, it's fascinating to me that Joseph Tsai obviously recently has been better known for being a prominent proponent when it comes to blockchain and cryptocurrencies. These are activities that are still largely illegal in China. Does that give you, I guess, a hint as to where that focus might shift?
Well, I think AI, as the management mentioned in the previous conference going results, and definitely that's one of the focus of the company. And in fact, they have Damo Academy that focused a lot on the new technology development. So I think that could be one of the focus of the company. But still, as Steven mentioned before, e-commerce still take a major part of the company. So that's why I think Alibaba will still focus on e-commerce first, and you see appoint Eddie Wu, who is also in charge of the e-commerce unit of Alibaba to become the CEO of the company. While the second growth driver will be the cloud business. So I think AI will definitely be a focus, but still in the short term, the majority of the business will still be the e-commerce business.
We've been focusing a lot on how Joe Tsai, Eddie Wu, they're known to Wall Street and they're popular in the US, Willer. But what about, in China and Hong Kong and in the region? Are they also as popular? Will they get on with regulators and will they be able to talk to authorities in the way they need to in order to do business?
I think in terms of the regulation side, after the crackdown of the IPO and also previous ratification on e-commerce spaces, Alibaba has been doing a really good job in terms of regulation side. And also these two co-founders, they have been with the company for a really long time. So I think in terms of communication with the regulators, I think it will still be a smooth process, and I think Alibaba should be okay on that.